Hi everyone, I'm Mohammad Avish Khan, and I've created this project called BuildFlow, and the name of my team is Team Trojan. This talk about what is BuildFlow. So BuildFlow is an AI-powered website, a tool which helps you to generate roadmaps for your next project. So what it does is, have an idea and you wanna build something out of it, but of course you do not have every YouTube tutorials for every idea, and you need to do a lot of research work for guessing out the libraries and how to implement the core functionalities for your project. There are some previous projects that have been generated. So we have the food delivery app, and we have a food review app, movie recommendation app. So let us generate a project here. A language, choose React JS and Node JS. That is your tech stack basically. So let us click on submit and wait for it to generate some good roadmaps. Successfully generated your roadmap. Scroll to find it. So we have the markdown editor right here. So let us click on view, and this takes us to a beautiful canvas which has all the flowchart and the steps. So the thing here you might be thinking about a less number of steps, just 5 steps. So since I'm using a free version of Gemini to generate this, so it has its own limitations. Also, I have designed the prompts in such a way so that only the flowcharts of the core functionalities come here, and not superficial view, the very high overview of how to build a project. So I do not need that. If we can understand how to implement the core functionalities for the project, I believe we can figure out the other steps. So basically, it starts with set up your project, front end development, React, simple React, text area, take test edit. It is still under development. So we can continue back end development. So build a Express server sample node, JS Express server. Coming to the integration, so we have to make an API, uh, an endpoint API export. So, so we have the React Markdown component here. So I believe what this does is it automatically converts your Markdown text to simple text. So this was pretty easy. So let us check out other projects as well. So I earlier generated this particular website only. Okay, so project setup, simple UI for the project. Then going on to integration of OpenAI. So this is the OpenAI integration. By default it takes OpenAI, I believe. So that is surprising. Gemini API taking OpenAI as default. Moving on to the next, parse API response. So this parses the API response and gives you the result, some function again here, and visualization of the steps. So coming on to the tech stack of the project, coming on to the tech stack. So for the backend, I have used more Node.js with Express.js, and for the database, it is MongoDB. Talking about the front end, simple React.js, ShatCN UI for the components, and React Flow for the flowchart, and Tailwind for CSS. So that is all for the project. So I'll be building up upon this project more and keep you updated. So okay, so thank you very much.